Mack Molding is an extension of our customers. We are their manufacturing arm. Where our customers look at product performance and product needs, we look at how are we going to do it to make their parts. That can be very challenging. If anybody knows what it takes to launch a project and to be in production, they're polar opposite needs. So to launch, you need speed, you need flexibility, you need to just be able to react on a dime. In production, you want structure, you want consistency, stability. So we felt like, hey, if we decouple these, we can do a lot of the legwork up front before it actually transferred to production activity.
So here at Mack Prototype, we do the rapid prototyping and low volume manufacturing. It can be hundreds of different components that are produced, and typically it's one of the first times that you're trying to put together hardware and software with your workforce. What Tulip does and why it's so valuable for our organization is we're able to work hands-on with our customers to create work instructions, and it helps cut down on the training curve when we're cross-training our team, so they're able to get up to speed and bounce around from project to project as needed. As a prototype manufacturer, we don't have long-running projects. Working with Tulip, we're able to create the first production lines for these products.
Some of the things that we encounter when working with customers who are introducing new products into the field, they've worked on a couple different units in their office, and then we start scaling up. A lot of the issues that they might have seen one time, we start seeing either a trend or something like that. And we've got the ability with Tulip and traceability to either identify certain parts or certain processes that could probably be changed or altered to help improve those issues that they're seeing.
Tulip has really been the link between our new product introduction space and our headquarter facility where we do full volume production. The customers that we're working with, especially out of the Boston area, are in the emerging technology space, and utilizing Tulip, it's been really great for speed and quality. Being able to showcase that we can quickly, effectively, and efficiently create work instructions, train operators, and bring their product to market has been invaluable.
When our customers are ready to lock everything in, we can work together with our Mack Molding headquarters, which is going to do the volume production. So instead of learning a new customer product all over again, we can seamlessly transfer that data with Tulip, pull it up, and start building directly on that line.
Before we implemented Tulip, we were mainly a paper-based system. Our data was slow, and often it took a day or so before we really knew we had an issue. Tulip has helped Mack improve our operations by providing us with real-time analytics, where we can use cameras and IoT to further help with that process.
We can see the trends using the software to see how that has helped our build save time, save cost, and be able to deliver product on time.
One of the things I really enjoy about Tulip is their open platform. We've been able to improve the quality of life for our operators by providing them with digital touchscreens to run their Tulip apps. I often talk to my engineering group about the limitation isn't in the software, but it's really in your imagination. So the ability to connect through all IoT, we can really do some incredible things to improve production on the floor.
Having Tulip has been really helpful in new business development.
It gives us structure, it gives us control. It improves our communication tremendously.
The traceability is already there for the customer.
Are we going to hit our launch time? Are you going to hit the volumes that you're asking? The data backs up a lot of the decision making that we're able to do. So we're really hitting realistic dates instead of guessing out there on forecasts.
Tulip help us develop products more quickly, and then they allow us to develop a cleaner process and streamline the information flow, the communication, and how we build the product.